Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Ariovit and in this tutorial I will show you history, login your account on Facebook. You may check by this, did somebody and hacked your account and login and you want to know something about this. Okay, I will show you step by step how to do it. You may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment, and let's go. Okay, so first what you need to do is go on your profile, click on the settings and privacy, and activity log you here have, as you can see. Click on this, and here you have option like logged actions and other activity. You here have logins and logouts, as you can see, and active sessions. As you can see, here is logins and logouts on accounts, and you may also check this history. And that's all what I wanted to show you. Have here have also other options like active session, hidden from profile, videos you've searched for, videos you watched, search history. Okay, and that's all what I wanted to show you. So thanks for watching. You may like and subscribe, share to others. Bye bye and see you. Next time.